Hey, and here we are once again, Diane Buchholz for another Open House Sunday. And today I am going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to go through, it's been about 2 months, and we're going to take a look at kind of what's been happening with the properties and this market. So come along. So here we have Port St. Lucie from June 12th through August 13th. And as you can see, a lot of dots out there. So in these last 2 months, there have been about 846 that are closed. There's 556 properties that are under contract, and there's 792 active right now. So the market's still strong. There's definitely, and this is just single family homes in Port St. Lucie. So we definitely still have a strong trend. And out of the 21 properties that we've looked at these last 2 months, 5 have gone under contract. So as you see here, one was at 8 days in the market, one at 9, one at 10. And we got 21 days and 39 days. So properties are moving. These were different square footages. Some had pools, some did not. New construction, built in the mid 70s, 80s. So we have a little bit of everything that's closed. Now moving to those that are under contract, we've got days on market, 4, 7, 13, 16, we jumped to 40, 41 days, 53, 66. So these are the 9 properties that have gone under contract. So as you can see, again, things are moving. And finally, out of these 20 properties that we've seen, there are 6 that are left. So you've got some with pools, some without. Some are at the 380s, 390s mark, and then you have all the way up into the 500s and 600s. So if you're interested in a personal tour of any of these, or if you would like to see any of the other homes that are available in Port St. Lucie or any of the surrounding areas on the Treasure Coast, reach out. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Until next week, unless we meet sooner. Bye.